This lecture is about economy of Pakistan. The currency of Pakistan is called Pakistani rupee, while the financial year of Pakistan starts from 1st July up to 30 June. Pakistan is a member of some main trading organization, that is Economic Cooperation Organization (ECU), SAFTA, South Asian Free Trade Organization Agreement, World Trading Organization (WTO), AIIB, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, and Asian Development Bank, ADB, SAARC, and OIC. Pakistan is a developing economy, and Pakistan is a lower middle income economy. The total population of Pakistan is 255 million or 25.5 crore. GDP of Pakistan is 412 billion US dollar. This data is from 2025 budget. According to the 2025 budget of Pakistan, the total economy or the total GDP of Pakistan is 411 billion US dollar. This is nominal GDP in which inflation is calculated, while the purchasing power parity GDP is 1.67 trillion US dollar, almost 1600 billion US dollar in term of purchasing power parity. So the Pakistan GDP is 1.6 trillion US dollar if we count it in purchasing power parity when inflation is not calculated. GDP rank. Pakistan rank in the world GDP is 38 in terms of nominal GDP, while Pakistan is the 25th largest economy in the world in terms of purchasing power parity. GDP growth. Pakistan GDP growth rate during current year is 2.6%. GDP growth. What is GDP growth? GDP growth is the growth in the Pakistan economy, the growth in the GDP in the previous financial year, while the GDP growth rate of Pakistan was 2.5 during 2024, and it was historically low. First time in the history it was negative during 2023. It was minus 0.2% during 2023. GDP per capita. What is GDP per capita? GDP per capita of Pakistan is 1828 nominal, while calculation of in term of PPP it is almost 7,000 US dollar GDP per capita. GDP per capita is the total GDP divided by the total population of our country. So the total GDP of Pakistan is 411 billion US dollar, while the total population is 255 million people. So per capita GDP is 1828. GDP per capita rank. And in terms of GDP per capita, we are at the very worst position because Pakistan is a highly populated country, and that's why if we divide our GDP on per head, so the answer we gave is too much lower, because in Pakistan average person is earning 1828 US dollar per annum. Remember, it's too much low amount as compared to the world's income rate, because in the world GDP per capita chart we are at the very worst position. Our position is 153rd in terms of nominal GDP per capita. GDP by sector. There are total 3 sectors in each economy. In Pakistan economy there are total 3 main sectors. One is agriculture sectors, second is industrial sector, and the third one is services sector. Remember, all the sectors you observing in your countries are the sub parts of these 3 main sectors. So the contribution of agriculture sector in the economy of Pakistan is 23%. Remember, this is 2023 data, but it's almost same in this year also. The agriculture data is just decreases. It is currently almost 20. And the industrial sector data is 18%, while the services sector's contribution in our GDP is 58%. GDP by household is 82%, consumption 11%, capital 14%. Investment in investment in invention is 1.6%. Exports of goods and services is 8.2%, while imports of goods and services is minus 17%. Inflation rate in Pakistan is 0.3%. The current inflation rate in Pakistan is 0.3%. Population below poverty. There are 88% population are earning less than $8.3 a day. 28.6% population of Pakistan are earning less than $3.65 per day, while 2% of Pakistani are in extreme poverty. They are getting less than $1.9 a day. While the poverty in our rural area is 8%, while in urban area there is only 0.3% poverty in Pakistan. In terms of Gini coefficient, Pakistan stands in medium. The figure is 31.6. Human Development Index. In Human Development Index, Pakistan score is 0.5. It starts from 0.1 and the top one is value is 1. So in terms of Human Development Index, we are again at the very worst position. Pakistan number is 168. It's low. And labor force. The total labor force of Pakistan is 78.8 million. Almost 79 million labor force in Pakistan. Labor force by occupation. In agriculture, 37% of Pakistani labor force is consumed in agriculture. 25% are employed in industrial sector and 37% are working in services sector. Unemployment. In Pakistan, unemployment rate is 3.7%. The main industries of Pakistan is textile, apparel, food processing, pharmaceutical, surgical, construction, fertilizer, overseas, remote freelancing, seafood, luxury, technology, paper products. The total export of Pakistan is 40 billion US dollar. Only 40 billion US dollar. Pakistan total export is only 40.7 billion US dollar. The main export product of Pakistan are textile, food, chemical, pharmaceutical, leather, sports goods and petroleum. While the main main exports partners of Pakistan are USA. USA is our largest export partner in the world. We are exporting our 17.5% of our total export to the United States of America. And our second partner is China with 8.7%. The third one is UAE with 6.7%. And next is UK, Germany, Spain, Netherlands, Italy, Turkey, European Union. While the total imports of Pakistan is 70 billion US dollar. Our export to the world is 40 billion US dollar, while import from the world is 70 billion US dollar. Our main import goods are petroleum, agriculture and chemical, machinery, food, metal, textile, transport. Main import partners. We are importing our 25.4% of our total import from China, while our second main import partner is UAE. The third one is USA with 8%, Singapore 4%, Indonesia, US, Kuwait, Russia. Our foreign direct investment is 31 billion, but this data is from 2021. Current account of Pakistan is 1.8 billion US dollars. Total gross external debt of Pakistan is 131 billion US dollar. Government debt is 61% of GDP. Foreign reserves are 20 billion US dollar. After a very huge time period, we get 20 billion US dollar foreign reserve. And remember, these dollars are purchased by the central bank from the market. Budget balance. Budget balance is minus 0.5.6% of GDP. Revenue 12% of GDP, which is total figure is 13,269 billion rupees or 47 billion dollar. So after in the first time in the history, we get 12.5% of GDP in term of revenue. The expenses, total expenses are 19% of GDP, which is 20,000 billion rupees or 72 billion US dollar. Economic aid, total economic aid is almost less 2.6 billion US dollar. This data is from 2021, but in 2025 almost the same economic aid would be received. Credit rating, as per the credit rating agencies, the status of Pakistan is currently triple C plus, it's long term, and C in short term. Outlook is stable. This data is published by Moody's, while Standard and Poor data. While the Moody's, as per the Moody's data, the Pakistan status is CAA2 and the outlook is positive. While as per Fitch data, Pakistan is at category is B negative and